If you want to take better photographs this summer, I got a photographer you should definitely look at. Her name is Elaine Constantine. She made really amazing work in the late 90s shooting for Face magazine. She makes amazing pictures with a really simple formula. Happy, vibrant, colorful, authentic pictures. And they come down to a couple of things. The first one is she uses flash in direct sunlight. It's really important. It could be an on-camera flash, it could be an off-camera flash, it could be a flash with a diffuser on it, but it's basically throwing extra light into the picture. And normally the sun is behind the person she's photographing or it's off to one side. The other thing she has is great movement. So she uses a movement director, but her early work was just spontaneous. It was models and her friends or family mixed together. There's a sense of fun. It's dynamic, it's beautiful. She rehearses little moments, and because the lighting is so simple, she's able to capture everything on the go. Another technique she uses is to get life and movement into the hair. This could be using the wind, or as in the video, she's using leaf blowers. But you could achieve the same thing by having big pieces of card and wafting them. You just got to create lift under the hair. And the other thing is getting really saturated colors. If you're shooting digital, you just need to bring the background exposure down a little bit so the colors are more punchy, and then push in with that front light. You could also use a polarizing filter to bring out more dynamic color. Her work is so beautiful because it feels spontaneous, feels fun, it feels like there's a bond between the people that she's photographing. It feels like it's friendship. You can tell that she's having a good time. Her team are having a good time. The models are having a good time. So that formula could be bringing flash into strong sunlight, getting strong color, getting vibrancy, getting movement, rehearsing moments, but making them feel spontaneous. And you'll get amazing summer pictures.